Namaste friends, welcome to Shikara Academy. Today we will discuss Telangana State Public Service Commission Group 1 Mains Paper 5 paper. In paper 5, three sections are there: section 1, section 2 and section 3. Section 1 and section 2 are general science, and section 3 is section 1 and section 2 is general science. Section 3 is data interpretation. So today we will discuss about data interpretation. So what is the data interpretation? According to Telangana State Public Service Commission, what is the syllabus? So in group 1 mains, total 6 papers are there. Out of 6 papers, the fifth paper is Science and Technology and Data Interpretation and Problem Solving. In first 2 sections, Science and Technology topics are there. So it is a 150 marks paper. Paper 5 is 150 marks. Out of 150 marks, 100 marks will cover from this Science and Technology, and the next 50 marks from only this data interpretation. Before that, Shikara Academy offering group 1 and group 2 classes for only English medium students. Andhra Pradesh and Telangana State Public Service Commissions group 1 and group 2 and all state public service commissions, we are offering only English medium classes. Okay, now we'll discuss about this data interpretation and problem solving. So total 50 marks will cover from this data interpretation and problem solving. So in paper 5, total 15 questions are there. Out of 15 questions, each and every question, 5 questions are there. And the third section also total 5 questions. So now the syllabus once again, please read each and every word. You should know each and every word if you are preparing for group 1 mains or any competitive examination. Not only group 1 or group 2 or any other competitive examination. First you should know the syllabus. And practice the syllabus and practice the previous question papers. Then only you will reach your goal. Okay, now see the syllabus. What is the syllabus in section 3? Data analysis, analytical interpretation of statistical data and the study of the graphs, charts, bar graphs, line graphs, pie charts and drawing conclusions. Next one, problems based on tabular and diagrammatical data. Problems based on probability, logical reasoning, analytical and mental ability. Next one is a quantitative aptitude, number sequences, series, average, number system, ratio and proportion, profit and loss. The next one is time and work, speed, time and distance, simple interest, analytical and critical reasoning. And finally, decision making and problem solving. It is a syllabus. The paper group 1 means is a descriptive type paper. Total here 6 papers are there. Each paper carry 150 marks. 6 into 150. Total 900 marks. Total 6 papers are there. Plus one more paper also is there, that is general English. The general English is only for qualifying purpose. These 6 are scoring papers. So you should get good marks in these 6 papers. Now your target minimum, if you got a minimum 600 marks, then only you will select for interview 600 to 650. Okay, now in group 1 mains paper 5, how to become a master. What are the important topics? Then first one is reasoning. According to syllabus, once again we'll discuss each and every topic. So the first one is reasoning. The next one is aptitude. The next data interpretation. And finally decision making and problem solving. Today take any competitive examination. Here the first 3 are very important. For all competitive examination, first three topics, reasoning, aptitude, and data interpretation, these three are very, very, very important. Without aptitude and reasoning, we cannot find any question paper for Group 1 or Group 2 or any state public service commission exam or UPSC civil services examination or gate examination, CAT, MAT, XAT. So many competitive exams are there, CLAT also. For each and every competitive examination, one of the important topic is this reasoning aptitude, and data interpretation is also one of the important. Okay, now first of all, before the syllabus analysis, what is the reasoning, what is aptitude, what is the data interpretation? Why these topics are important for our for a government servant? See, not only for government servant, for government jobs or higher education, these three are important topics. For example, CLAT examination, common law eligibility test, or a NET examination, national eligibility test. These all are higher education entrance exams. Here also one is important topic, reasoning and aptitude. Why? If you are good in aptitude and reasoning, so if you have good knowledge in aptitude and reasoning, you can do anything. You will become a master, okay, and your decision making power will be good, is good. So now we'll discuss these topics. And what is the difference between preliminary examination and mains examination? In preliminary examination, they will give one question. You should find the answer for the question. If your answer is right, you will get 1 mark. Otherwise, no mark. But in Group 1 mains examination, it is a descriptive paper. It is a descriptive paper. You should write the answer with explanation also. Preliminary examination, only answer is important. The explanation is not important. Of course, here they will give 4 options. Out of 4 options, one is right answer. Just choose the right answer. But in mains examination, they don't give option. You should write the answer with explanation. With explanation. Now, what is the question style? What is the question style in paper 5? TS Group 1 mains paper 5. Paper 5. First section 1 to 5 questions. Second section 6th question to 10th question, and third section it is a data interpretation. Third section it is a data interpretation. Question number 11 to 15. 11 to 15. Each and every question, here these 5 questions are there. Each and every question carry 10 marks. So 5 into 10, 50 marks. So 11 to 15 questions. 11th question, 12th question, 13th question, 14th question, and 15th question. 11th question, only one question, that is a 10 marks, 1 into 10. Second, 12th question also only one question, that is 1 into 10, 10 marks. And 13th question, it's maybe one question or 5 small questions, A, B, C, D, E. 13th question may be single question or 5 small questions. If it is only one question, 1 into 10, 10 marks. If it is a 5 small questions, 5 into 2, 10 marks. Each question carry 2 marks. And the 14th and the 15th also same as it is. 14th question and the 15th question also same as it is. Here also they will give 5 small questions. 5 small questions, each and every question carry 2 marks, 5 into 2, 10 marks. So total 11 to 15 questions, 50 marks. Okay, so now once again see here, what is the difference between preliminary examination and mains examination? In reasoning part compulsory they will give 5 small questions. Reasoning is a part of small questions only. For example, take the number series. Number series. So for example, take one question. 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, 42. It is one question. If it is a preliminary question, if it is a preliminary examination or group 2 or any other competitive examination, they will give 4 options also. Out of 4 options, you should find the correct answer. Okay. So, what is the right answer? Each and every number is there in the form of x square plus ex. 2, it is 1 square plus 1. 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. 6, 2 square plus 2 is 6. 12, 3 square plus 3 is 12. 3 square 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. 20, 4 square plus 4 is 20. 30, 5 square 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. Then next one, 6 square plus 6. 6 square is 36. 36 plus 6 is 42. Then finally it is, our answer is 7 square plus 7. 7 square 49. 49 plus 7 is 56. 56 is right answer. So in preliminary examination, they will give 4 options. Out of 4 options, find the right answer. So if your answer is 56, if you select 56, then you will get 1 mark. But in mains examination, they don't give option. You should write the answer, and it is a 2 marks question. It is 2 marks question. So you should write the answer with the explanation also. What is the explanation? Explanation means it is not 2-3 pages. It is not 2-3 pages. It is not 1 page also. Very simple. So what is the explanation? Here each and every number is there in the form of, here each and every number is there in the form of x square plus x. Here each and every number is there in the form of x square plus x. So then next line, 2 is equal to 1 square plus 1. 6 is equal to 2 square plus 2. 12 is equal to 3 square plus 3. 20 is equal to 4 square plus 4. 30 is equal to 5 square plus 5. 42 is equal to 62. 6 square plus 6. Similarly, our answer is 7 square plus 7. Each and every number is there in the form of x square plus x. Therefore, the next number is 7 square plus 7. 7 square is 49. 49 plus 7, it is 56. Therefore, our answer is 56. So, if you read these 2-3 lines, then only you will get 2 marks. So, my dear friends, in mains examination, write the answer with explanation. Okay. So, now we'll discuss each and every important point. So, first one, reasoning part. What are the important topics in reasoning for group 1 mains examination? Now we are discussing only for group 1 mains examination. Okay, so here the important topics in reasoning is a series. What is a series? Here it is divided into 2 types. The first one is a number series. Second one is a letter series. Number series and a letter series. What is number series and what is a letter series? Here they will give some numbers or English alphabets. So first we should find the relation between given numbers or alphabets. Then apply the same relation, then find the final number or final letter. In number series also different models are there. In next classes I will discuss each and every model. But here please write the answer with explanation also. Then analogy. What is the meaning of analogy? Analogy means a comparison. Analogy means a comparison. Again, it is divided into 2 types. The first one is word analogy. The second one is a number analogy. Analogy, the questions are like, for example, take number analogy. 5 is to 25 is as 6 is to dash. 5 is to 25 is as 6 is to dash. In preliminary examination, they will give the options. Out of 4 options, given options to find the right answer. But in mains examination, write the answer with explanation. For example, 5 is to 25 is as 6 is to dash. What is your answer? What is the meaning of analogy? Comparison. First to compare the first pair of the numbers. What is the relation between 5 and 25? Then apply the same relation for next pair. So here two types of relationships are there. First one is First one is 5 is to 25. First number into 5 is equal to second number. First number into 5 is equal to second number. So here 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Similarly, 6 into 5 is equal to 30. 30 is right answer. And another angle, one more angle is there. First number square is equal to second number. Similarly, 5 square is 25. Same as it is 6 square is equal to 36. So here this question has the two possible answers. One is 30, another one is 36. So write the answer with explanation also. The next one is classification. Again, it is divided into two types. It is divided into two types. The first one is a number classification. Second one is a word classification. So this topic is also known as odd man out. Odd man out. What is the classification? Here they will give four numbers or four words. Four numbers or four words. For example, let number classification. Number classification means out of four words except one word, remaining three words are belongs to one family. Find the word or find the number which is not belongs to that family. Which is not belongs to that family. So here I will give one example. Listen here. One example: 43, 53, 63, 73. In preliminary examination, just select the answer, then you will get 1 mark. But in mains examination, write the answer with explanation. So here, total 4 numbers are there. All are 2-digit numbers. Each and every one is a 2-digit number. And all are ending with ends with 3. Last digit is always the 3 same. But what is the common feature? So here 43, 53 and 63 and 73. Only 63 is a prime number. Only 63 is a 63 is a composite number. Only 63 is a composite number. Remaining all are prime numbers. So what is your answer? Here except 63. Here except 63. Remaining all are prime numbers. So remaining all are belongs to prime numbers family. Therefore 63 is right answer. And so if you write these two lines, then only you will get full marks. Now what is the coding and decoding? What is coding and decoding? So 100% one question, minimum 1 or 2 questions will cover from coding and decoding. Take any examination, minimum 1 or 2 questions will cover from coding and decoding. So what is the coding and what is the decoding? Coding means any one word or sentence. Convert the word or sentence from known language to unknown language. That is known as coding. Then what is decoding? Again, deconvert from unknown language to known language is known as decoding. So it is very important topic. Today all security forces, military, navy, air force and civil policies are using this coding and decoding. Not only security forces, military, and not only security forces, that is terrorists, Naxalites are also using coding and decoding. So it is also one of the important topic. Then next one is the directions. What is the direction? You know what is the north, east, west and south. It is the north, it is the west, east, west and south. So if you know these directions, then this topic is very easy. So only one thing, we should write the answer with explanation. And in directions, the diagram is also very important. Without diagram, we are unable to find the answer. So in directions, first to draw a diagram, then find the answer. The next one is blood relations. Blood relations, I think the basics or fundamentals are not necessary because you know all the relations. Who is mother, who is father, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, nephew, niece, mother-in-law, father-in-law, brother-in-law, sister-in-law. son-in-law, daughter-in-law. You know each and every relation. Okay, so that's why the basics are not important. But one more important point about the blood relation, my dear friends, please remember the relations are not same in throughout the India. Throughout the India, the relations are not same. In different areas, the people are following different culture, different relations. For example, South India. South India, generally your mother's brother's son or your mother's brother's daughter. How is your mother's brother's daughter related to you? Your mother's brother, your maternal uncle. Your maternal uncle's daughter is your sister-in-law. Right or wrong? Yes. Your maternal uncle's son is your brother-in-law. Is it right or wrong? 100% right. But in the examination, that is not according to examination key. That is not right. That is not right. Why? What is the reason? In South India, we treated as a brother-in-law or sister-in-law. Our mother's brother's children. Our mother's brother's children, we all are treated as a brother-in-law and sister-in-law. But in North India, they are treated as a brother and sister. So throughout the India, the relations are not same. Little bit changes are there. Now, what is the answer? How is your mother's brother's daughter related to you? Your mother's brother's daughter, according to South India, sister-in-law, but sister-in-law is not right answer. According to examination key, sister-in-law is not right answer. According to North Indians, sister is right answer, but according to examination key, that is also wrong answer. Then what is the right answer? The right answer is cousin. The right answer is cousin. This is the right answer. This is right answer. So next one is a logical Venn diagram. What is the meaning of Venn? It is Venn means one mathematician, the great mathematician. So he introduced this method. That's why this method here, these diagrams are known as Venn diagrams. What is the logical Venn diagram? What is the logical Venn diagram? What is the logical Venn diagram? In the examination, they will give only three families. Then you should find the relation between that three families. Find the relation between that three families. Example, students, teachers, graduates. Then represent the suitable diagram for these three families. This is the question. Students, teachers, and graduates. What is the relation? First of all, take the students and graduates. All students are not graduates, and some students are graduates, no doubt. Primary school students, high school students, intermediate students, they are not graduates. Postgraduate students, they completed their graduation, now they are postgraduate students. So, and they are graduates. So some students are graduates, and graduates and students. All graduates are not students. Some graduates are students. And what about the teachers? Teachers and graduates. All teachers are not graduates. Only some teachers are graduates. In Telugu states, you know, teachers are two types. SGT, secondary grade teacher, and SA, school assistant. So SGT, secondary grade teachers means primary school teachers. SA, school assistants means high school teachers. High school teachers qualification is degree with teacher training. Degree with teacher training. And primary school teachers SGT, education qualification intermediate. It is not a degree. Intermediate with teacher training, TTC. Intermediate with teacher training. So therefore, so tell me, the some teachers are graduates, some teachers are not graduates. Okay, and what about teachers and students? Today, so many teachers are students also. Yes, today so many teachers are doing their PG and PhD courses in distance mode. PG and PhD courses in distance mode. That's why some teachers are students. And also some students are teachers. Is it right or wrong? Yes, it is also 100% right. Today, so many students, morning to evening. For example, degree students or BTech students. Morning to evening they are attend their class, and evening time they are taking the tuitions. Therefore, they are a teacher. So some students are teachers. Then how to take the diagram? It is the students, it is graduates, it is the students. So it is students, teachers, and graduates. So if you write a diagram, then only you will get the full marks. It is a reasoning part. Then aptitude. Aptitude is not new for you. It is an old topic. Already all these topics are covered in your primary school and also high school. So I will discuss each and every point. Basic number system. What is the basic number system? Different types of numbers. What is the natural number, whole number, integer, rational number, prime number, even number, odd number. These all are important. And fractions. Fractions are important. Divisibility laws are important. These all are part of number system. Then time and distance. Time and distance. So it is one aptitude topic. So in time and distance, first point is formulas, second one is units, third one is units conversion. That is very important. So distance is equal to time into speed, or time is equal to distance by speed, or speed is equal to distance by time. These are important formulas in time and distance. Next one is time and work. Time and work. A can complete one work in 10 days, B in 20 days. Then how many days both A and B together can complete the work? So don't follow the traditional method. Traditional method. Of course, with the traditional method also you will get the right answer. But now here one simple formula is there, that is LCM by sum of the fractions. LCM by sum of the fractions. So my dear friends, use this formula in preliminary examination only, not for mains examination. So LCM by sum of the fractions, less than 5 to 10 seconds you will get the right answer. Less than 5 to 10 seconds. Okay. So but mains examination descriptive method, so how you should write the steps, each and every step you will get the right answer. Averages, you know, sum of observations by number of observations. Averages, sum of observations by number of observations, it is one topic. Ratio in proportion, to compare two or more than two numbers, then we'll use ratios and proportions. Okay. So and next one is the percentages. Percentage means per 100. Percentage means per 100. So here averages, ratio and proportions, and percentages, these three are very important for a data interpretation. Data interpretation, each and every question is depend on only these three topics. Data interpretation questions are depend on only averages, ratio and proportion, and percentages. If you are good in these three topics, the data interpretation is also very easy. So that's why before the data interpretation, I will cover total aptitude syllabus. Then if you have good knowledge, if you have sound knowledge, then only I will start the data interpretation. Okay. Then now here next topic, profit and loss, simple interest, permutation and combination, probability, clock and calendar. Clock and calendar. These topics also very important. These topics are, so you should become master in these topics. If you are good in these topics, no doubt you'll get the good marks in the examination also. And finally, data interpretation. Finally, data interpretation. My dear friends, first of all, tell me what is the data? What is the data? Only information? No, only information is not a data. Information with numbers and figures is known as data. Information with numbers and figures is known as data. This data is divided into two types, primary data and secondary data. Okay. So what is the primary data? What is secondary data? In future classes, I will discuss each and every one. But how to represent the data? It is also one more important point. First one is the tabulation. if you arrange the information in a table form, if you arrange the information in a table form, this is known as the tabulation. This is known as the tabulation. So tabulation, it is also one of the important point. As a government servant, you should send the reports to your higher authorities. After the selection, as a government servant, you should send the reports to your higher authorities. But how to send the reports? That is very important. Here, four important points are there: tabulation, bar diagrams, XY charts, and pie charts. You may use any one. So this is the tabulation and bar diagrams. What is the bar diagram? On the graph paper, it is x-axis, it is y-axis. The graphs, these are known as the graphs. These are known as the bars. So here width is not important, only height is very important. Height is very important. So it is XY chart. The next one, it is bar diagram. Next, XY chart. On XY chart also same, we will use a graph paper only, but here the values are connecting with the lines. The values are connecting with the lines. That is XY charts. Finally, pie charts. What is the meaning of pie? What is the meaning of pie? The meaning of pie is it is one sweet bakery item which is in circle shape. These pie charts also looking like circle, that's why these charts are known as pie charts. So you should become master in these 4 points, then you will get the good marks in the competitive examination. Okay, so my dear friends, thank you. In future classes I will discuss each and every point from our Shikara IAS Academy. So all the best.